It's very interesting to talk about this topic because a lot of what we discuss in AI is about using AI for text generation, images, coding, and so on. But we don't talk as much about using AI for engineering design.
Yeah, so it depends on how you define AI. I usually incorporate both machine learning and optimization within the AI umbrella. Generative AI is also not a 2019 phenomenon or 2020 phenomenon. It has been around for decades.
Yes.
One thing where generative AI is really helping is to create these synthetic data. We're seeing a lot of startups coming up. The other thing which I find more fascinating is, so we can create designs which are better than what people were doing before. But can we create designs that are innovative?
A lot of what we know today about AI, when it's doing both image generation, video generation, and so on, that it doesn't understand physics very well.
Instead of learning just from the best design or the final product, what if you take the trajectory that the optimization solver took and you learn from that evolution of design?
How about creating your own car? My 7-year-old would be very excited if he can, design his own car and then probably get it delivered to him in a few months. Is that something you think would happen soon?
Like anyone can design anything. So you don't need a degree in an engineering college to actually tap into your creative potential.
I'm hoping that it will inspire our audience to think about more about this very interesting field at the intersection of engineering design and AI, which is very less explored, and there are a lot of opportunities.
AI is a tool. It's just another tool. It's a hammer.
Yeah.
And it will definitely impact many aspects of manufacturing.